test a new property of rock, that is Slake durability index. Now the question is the durability index of rock. Generally in rock mechanics lab we are more concerned with the strength of the rock, but here we are now considering the durability of the rock. It is because that we often observe in different mine site as well as in geological site that rock is undergoing some erosion due to the weathering process, complex weathering process. So rock itself decomposes for few thousand of years, and actually the origin of soil is because of the weathering process of the rock. So in a mine site or in a geological site where we are dealing with the rock, and when there is a possibility of high moisture content and humidity, so there is a possibility that the rock will undergo the weathering process. So to know in prior to the actual operation what is the durability index, that will give us the picture about the properties of the rock, whether the rock is very prone to weathering or the rock is competent against the weathering process. So in this process of the Slake durability index, we will take, this is a standardized process, we will take samples of 45 gram to 50 gram each of around 10 number of samples. Total 450 gram to 550 gram range. So this amount of sample we will take. Here you can see the samples we have taken for the test. Each weight not less than 40 gram. Remember that. So we have to follow it very religiously. So after getting the sample ready, we will put the sample here in the cage. This particular drum made of 2 mm wire gauge, 2 mm diameter, 2 mm space, and the total diameter of this drum is 140 mm and the width of this drum is 100 mm. So what we will do, we will put the sample here in the drum. We will put the sample in the drum, then we will give a cover here. Then this drum will be put on a water. Here the slaking fluid is water. We will keep the water here up to 20 mm height, 20 centimeter height, 20 centimeter height, and we will rotate the drum for 10 minutes with revolution, 20 revolution per minute. Okay. Then we will dry it. Then again the process will be repeated, and what we will follow, that is I am giving you the process. So step 1. Step 1 of this process is we will take sample of 450 gram to 550 gram inside the drum. Drum specification I have already shown you. Step 2, we will take sample plus drum weight, that is A. Okay. Step 2 is we will place the drum on water bath. this is schematic diagram is like this. We will put the drum here. There is a rod. This is the specific diagram of the chamber water bath. We will place the drum here. There is a cylinder will be fitted. Now, after putting water, samples will be there. We will rotate the drum. We will rotate the drum at a speed of 20 revolution per minute for a duration of 10 minutes. Okay. So after this test is done, there is a motor fitted with this cylinder. So it will be electrically operated motor is there. So the step 2, after placing the drum and rotating for 10 minutes, step 3 is we will take out the drum and put the drum with the sample retained after the test at 105 degrees centigrade chamber, closed chamber with a 105 degree for 12 hours. After 12 hours is over, the step 4 is we will again put the sample on this same water bath, and we will rotate again for 10 minutes with 20 revolution per minute. Then again we will follow the next step of putting the remaining sample, retained sample with the drum with 105 degree temperature in a closed chamber for 12 hours. After this is done, we will take the weight of retained sample plus drum is about C. After doing that, the step 5 is we will remove the sample, we will clear the sample out of this drum, then we will take the weight of the drum. B. So after following all these things, the percentage index that will come of the select durability is A minus B, C minus D into 100. This is the select durability index. It will be, we will find out after following the test. Thank you. So after that we will determine the select durability index by using this formula C minus D divided by A minus D into 100. So this is the select durability index. Thank you.
ओवन 105
ওভেনটা ক্লোজ থাকে না?
হ্যাঁ ওভেন তো ক্লোজ হ্যাঁ দিয়ে দিন
So after doing the step number 2, we will place the drum with the retained sample in a closed chamber in an oven with a temperature of 105 degrees Celsius, and the drum will be kept for 12 hours. Thank you.
56 total is 515 we weight of the drum is कितना?
1.145. 1.145.
Weight of the drum 1.145. Sample plus drum 1.660.
So after closing the sample box drum, now we will put the drum inside the water bath. Now it is linked with the motor cylinder. So our system is ready. Now we will rotate the sample with 20 RPM for 10 minutes. We will put this drum onto the oven. This is the oven. It is maintained with a 105 degree temperature, and we will put the drum for 12 hours.